So we're prepping a stadium, just deep grinding the top layer so we can adjust all the levels. The soil has a lot of rocks, but we're bringing nice soil on top of it, so basically it's really simple. We did cut the grass, it's uneven and the soil is not so good with a lot of rocks and stuff, so customer wants a new layer of soil on top, so we're just deep grinding this, just the top layer, so we can adjust all the levels, make it all even, and then bringing on the nice soil on top of it. So the attachment is not afraid of rocks or whatever is in the ground. We are using Coneteks 2.13M model with universal rotor head. And actually this would be fine if we would just level and settle everything after this deep grind. It would all be perfect as well. So all this area here was grinded as well, the top layer. We leveled and settled everything underneath and then brought some nice soil on top. It's full stadium size, so you can see all the rocks and stuff that was in the soil that was here already. We will be collecting all these. So this is how we do it, just go over with the attachment, doing the deep grind and bringing all the rocks along the way, all the way to the side, so we can collect them afterwards easily. Then we will level and settle everything, make it in all perfect level, and bring on top the nice soil. Level and settle all that and seed the grass afterwards. So we have deep grinded the other side. We will level and settle everything, collect all the rocks and start bringing up the nice soil. This side is already leveled. We'll go over with the attachment, level and settle everything perfectly and seed the grass seed afterwards. Bam bam bam. Still a little work to do. So we have gotten so far, got all up to a level, pushed nice soil on top, starting to settle everything down and level it at the same time. As we need this as perfect as we can, we will have to go over a few times, 2 or 3. So most of it's already prepared, all in nice levels, prepared for sowing grass seed. We had some soil left, nice soil. Customer decided to bring some around the house, so it's looking all wonderful. We had a field, uneven field with pretty bad soil. We deep grinded everything, just the top layer, leveled and settled everything, made all the needed levels on this field. Then we brought on top 15 centimeters of really nice black soil, leveled and settled everything, prepared for sowing grass seed. Amazing, no? We're making money now, not just working to survive, as we can do all the jobs a lot quicker with a lot better quality, and the maintenance costs are just silly on this attachment. And this is like the main tool of landscaping right now in the Baltic states, so if you don't have one, you better get on it, because it's definitely worth it. So a lot of seed, as this is a stadium. Look at all this stadium. All this in one day. That's pretty impressive. All this moisture is really good for the grass seed. We came early. We will transfer all these piles of nice soil in the backyard. We will level and settle all this corner here, finish it up, and do some work in the backyard of the customer. It's looking wonderful. So next day, it's all done, seeded. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.